This SUV features advanced autonomous driving technology and the BYD Blade battery for superior safety.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to MWS Auto. Today, we're looking at an SUV that could completely redefine what a luxury off-roader can be. Most rugged SUVs force you to choose between serious trail capability and everyday comfort, but what if you could have both? That's exactly what the 2027 BYD Fangchengbao Titanium 7 is promising. This bold new 5-seat SUV combines the toughness of a hardcore 4x4 with the technology and refinement of a premium family cruiser. If BYD delivers on everything it has planned, the Titanium 7 could become one of the most exciting SUVs of the decade. From its futuristic design to its jaw-dropping performance and next-level features, this is one vehicle that deserves your full attention. The first thing you notice about the Titanium 7 is its commanding road presence. Measuring nearly 5 meters long and around 2 meters wide, it has a muscular, boxy stance that instantly communicates strength and confidence. But unlike traditional off-roaders that look bulky and outdated, this SUV blends rugged proportions with sleek modern styling. Up front, a clean closed grille is paired with sharp split LED headlights, giving it a futuristic and premium appearance. The side profile is tall and purposeful, while the rear features a classic rectangular design and an external spare tire cover that reinforces its adventure-ready personality. Whether it's covered in mud on a mountain trail or parked outside a luxury hotel, the Titanium 7 looks perfectly at home. Under the hood is where things get truly impressive. BYD is expected to offer both a range-extended hybrid and a fully electric version. The hybrid model uses a gasoline engine as a generator while dual electric motors deliver all-wheel drive and explosive performance. Despite its large size, this SUV can sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.5 seconds. It also offers approximately 200 kilometers of pure electric driving and a total range of more than 1,300 kilometers, making it ideal for both city commuting and long-distance adventures. The fully electric model raises the bar even further with close to 700 horsepower and ultra-fast charging technology capable of taking the battery from 10% to nearly full in about 9 minutes. That is a game-changing level of convenience. This isn't just a high-tech family SUV, it is also a genuine off-road machine. The Titanium 7 comes equipped with 12 terrain modes that automatically optimize the vehicle for sand, mud, snow, and rocky surfaces. Advanced independent suspension at both the front and rear provides exceptional articulation while maintaining a smooth and quiet ride on the highway. The result is a vehicle that feels equally confident on rough mountain trails and urban streets. Instead of sacrificing comfort for capability, BYD has engineered an SUV that handles demanding terrain while keeping passengers relaxed and secure. It is the kind of versatility that modern buyers have been waiting for. Inside the cabin, the Titanium 7 feels like something straight out of the future. BYD calls the interior design language stellar arc, and it combines robust grab handles and durable details with premium materials and luxurious comfort. Technology takes center stage, with up to 7 interconnected screens throughout the cabin, including a large central touchscreen and rear displays to keep passengers entertained. There is also a built-in smart refrigerator that can cool drinks or keep food warm during long trips. And perhaps the most remarkable feature of all is the integrated intelligent drone system, which allows the SUV to launch and control a drone for capturing cinematic footage of your adventures. It is one of the most innovative features we've ever seen in an SUV. The biggest surprise may be the value. Despite offering luxury-level comfort, advanced electrified powertrains, serious off-road capability, and groundbreaking technology, the 2027 Titanium 7 is expected to start between $40,000 and $50,000 depending on trim and market. That pricing puts enormous pressure on established rivals and makes this SUV an incredibly compelling package. If BYD delivers as promised, the Titanium 7 could become one of the most disruptive new vehicles in the global market. So what do you think? Is the built-in drone a revolutionary feature or just a cool gimmick? Would you choose the long-range hybrid or the ultra-powerful EV? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exciting 2027 automotive reveals right here on MWS Auto.